Want to turn on HDR or adjust your display settings on your Acer laptop, desktop, or tablet? As long as your hardware supports it, enabling HDR in Windows is super simple. First, open your Start menu or search bar, type in Settings, and open the Settings app. On the left-hand menu, click on System. On the right side, select Display. Select HDR. Windows will show you if your screen supports HDR. If supported, simply toggle Use HDR2 on, and that's all there is to it. If this quick guide helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.